In this video, we're gonna see TCL sub-brand iFFALCON 55K71 Android certified smart TV unboxing. This model supports TCL IPQ engine and micro dimming technology, hands-free voice control, Google Assistant, Google Play Store, Netflix, Amazon Prime Video, Disney Plus Hotstar, and many more apps. In the box, we will receive the TV, one Bluetooth remote with two AAA batteries, detachable power cable, one AV in cable, user manual and warranty card. Unlike any other brands, TCL provide the wall mount in the box itself. In fact, this model is a rebranded version of TCL 55P715 launched on 2020. Let's take a look at the specs. This TV is a 55-inch 4K ultra high definition with 60 Hz of refresh rate. It's A plus grade panel with HDR10 and micro dimming supported. This TV is a full screen metallic frame and metallic stand. When it comes to connectivity, this TV supports only 2.4 GHz of Wi-Fi. It doesn't support the 5 GHz Wi-Fi band. A Bluetooth, one HDMI ARC port and two Service HDMI ports. This TV supports two USB 2.0 ports, one Optical Digital Out, 3.5mm audio jack, one LAN, one AV in, one antenna in. When it comes to sound, 30 watts output, Dolby audio supported. When it comes to the supported apps, by default this TV supports Netflix, YouTube, Amazon Prime Video, Disney Plus Hotstar, Sony Live, Google Play Store and many more apps. In the box, we will receive the 55-inch TV, one wall mount, two table stands, one user manual, one warranty card, detachable power cable, Bluetooth remote, two AAA batteries. When turned on the TV for the first time, it has the system update. Let's do the system update and continue the Android TV setup. Alright, after a few minutes, the system update has been completed and rebooted successfully. Like any other brand's Android certified smart TV, this model also taking a while to boot the system. During the initial usage of this TV, we have observed the software lagging here and there. Hope so TCL will address this issue through the updates in the future. Finally, the system has been updated and the TV has been booted. Let's quickly set up the Android TV. Okay, let's take a look at the TV specs in the settings and about. By default, this TV has Android 9.0 version. During the mid of 2021, TCL launched new TVs comes with the Android 11, but this model doesn't have the latest version of Android 11.0. As mentioned before, this TV comes with Android 9.0 by default and Android security patch of January 2021. Hope so, TCL iFFALCON will provide the latest version of Android 11.0 in the update near future. Alright, thanks for watching. For the full review, please do like, subscribe and stay tuned.